Hello everyone and welcome to kundanstech.com. In this tutorial I'll show you how to create another partition in your system without formatting your hard drive. Now suppose if you check now in my screen that I have two partitions, C and drive D. In my C drive there are programs which are installed, whereas in my D drive there are files and folders which are stored. Suppose if I had only a drive C, and if I wanted to create another drive, then how I would do that? In this example, I will suppose that drive D is my primary partition and I want to break it into another one more partition. So how I will do that? Right click on this my computer icon and click on manage. Now click on device manager, disk management. Now we suppose that we have only a drive and that drive is D and we want it to divide it into one more partition. So right click on it and click on shrink volume. So you want to find out how much space is there, so that we can create one more partition. You can see that the available space to shrink is 18 gigabyte. So this much space is there and I can create a partition of this much size. If you want to decrease the size, you can just type it here. If you want a partition only of 10 gigabyte, then you can put 10 only here, 10,000. In this case I want to make a partition of 18 gigabyte, so I'll just leave the this volume space and click on shrink. Now a partition has been created and the partition volume is 18 gigabyte. Now this is right now not usable. This volume cannot be used, or this partition cannot be used, so we have to make this partition usable. Again right click on this partition and click on new simple volume, click on next button. So this is the space, this is the volume of a new partition. Click on next button. Now this is the drive E which will be associated with this new partition. Click on next button. And the type of file system will be NTFS. This is the system nowadays which is used by most hard disk. If you want to give a name for this volume, you can give it. You can give like new partition or whatever you want. It's up to you. Okay, now perform a quick format. This is checked automatically. Let it be like that. Click on next button and click on finish. Now this partition will be formatted, and after it is formatted you will be able to use this partition. Okay, so let us wait for some time. Okay, now this new partition is opened up automatically after being formatted. Let us go to my computer again and check how many partitions we have. As you can see, now there are 3 partitions. Before we had only 2, so E is another new partition and this is ready to be used. So this is how you can create a partition, one more partition or more than one partition of a hard disk, and use it for any purpose, either to store the files or to install another programs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please also visit my blog kundanstech.com for more information.